Dear students, good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Kalaivani KM, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, GFGC, Anekal, Bangalore. Dear students, in previous class, we have seen the machine hour rate problems. Again, today we are going to see some of the problems under machine hour rate. Let me move to the problem. Let me read the problem first. From the following particulars, compute machine hour rate. A cost of machine rupees 1,14,800. Installation charges 5,400. Anticipated life of machine 10 years. Residual value at the end of 10 years 5,000. Rent and rates per annum 12,000. Insurance of the machine per annum 3,000. Repair and maintenance per annum 8,640. Consumable stores per annum 1,200. Total production service per annum. Total production service per annum 1,080. Power cost is 5 units per working hour at the rate of 40 paise per unit. Setting up time non-productive 400 hours per annum. There are 300 working days of 8 hours each in a year. Okay. 8 hours per day. Okay. Then 1 year case to working days 300 working days. See, we have to divide the expenses, which are the standing charges and which are the variable charges. Okay. First one, standing charges. Here, what are the standing charges? Rent and rates per annum, standing charges. Rent and rates per annum, standing charges. Then insurance of the machine per annum, it is a standing charges. Then repair and maintenance per annum also standing charges here. Then consumer stores per annum is given, that is also standing charges. Then total production service per annum, this is also standing charges. Here, rent and rates, insurance, repair and maintenance, consumable store, total production service. Okay, total production services. These are coming under the standing charges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 items are coming under standing charges. Next, we are going to see variable charges. What are the items coming under variable charges? Normally, depreciation. If they given this information, we have to calculate depreciation. Then here is power. Okay, here power is there. We have to calculate power as per given in the information. Okay. Then lastly, we have to find out the effective machine hour. Why we are calculating effective machine hour? See here, effective machine hour, why we are calculating? There are 300 working days of 8 hours. Okay. Each in a year. Then 300 days is equal to 1 year. 300 days into 1 day ke 8 hour. Okay. 2,400. 300 into 8, 2,400. That is called yearly working hours. Okay. Then setting up time has given. That is a non-productive hours. If it is productive, we should not taken into calculation. But setting up of time, non-productive as given in the bracket. So we have to consider as it is an idle time. Okay. So here 2,400 minus 400, we will get effective working hours. See, calculation of effective working hours. Working hours per annum, 300 days into 8 hours per day. We will get 2,400 minus setting up of time, non-productive. It is not productive, we should not take. Here non-productive we can take. So This is called setting up of time or else idle time, whatever case may be. Minus setting up of time 400, it is given in the problem. So 2400 minus 400 effective hours 2000 hours. While we are calculating, we have to consider this effective hours, okay, not given hours, okay. Then we have to allocate these standing charges as well as the variable charges, variable over. We move to some area. See, we have to write computation of machine hour rate. We have to draw a column, first column particular, second column per year, next per hour. Why here we are writing per year? See, everything given in year. Then lastly, we will convert all, we add all the standing charges, then we will convert it into year per hour, okay? Moving to standing charges. Rent and rates given in the problem, 12,000. Insurance, 3,000. Repair and maintenance, 8,640. Consumable stores, 1,200. Production services, 1,080. So we have to total it. These and all given per annum. Given per annum, this are the yearly expenses. Then 12,000 plus 3,000 plus 8,640, 1,200, 1,080. What is the total? 25,920. Okay, in the first column, 25,920. Then next, we have to calculate per hour, standard charges per hour. Standing charges per hour is equal to, how much standing charges given? 25,000. How much we calculated? 25,920. It is not given, we calculated. Divided by effective working hours per year, how much? 2,000 hours. So 25,920 divided by 2,000 hours, we will get per hour. Standing charges per hour, 12.96. Next is running charges or else machine expenses or else variable charges. First, we have to calculate depreciation. We are calculating depreciation. See here, the cost of machine 1,14,800 plus installation charges 5,400. Then this and all. Then residual value at the end of 10 years, 5,000. We have to take residual value 1,14,800 plus installation charges 5,400. Then residual value means scrap value, okay, minus 5,000 divided by that working life of the machine, 2,000 effective working life per year. Then anticipated life for the machine 10 years. Then 10 years into 2,000 hours per year, we will get, see here, 10 into 2,000 hours per hour, 10 years, okay. Then while we are doing this calculation, we will get 5.74, okay, 5.74. Next, power. Power given in the problem, power cost is 5 units per working hour, 40 pice per unit, okay. Then now we calculate 1 hour is equal to 5 units. What is 40? Okay. Here you see 5 units into 40 pice per unit. Okay. 2 rupees. Okay. 1 unit ke 40 pice andre 5 units ke estu? Adike 2 rupees. So we have to calculate standing charges as well as running charges. Standing charges per hour 12.96 plus that variable charges. Depreciation 5.76, power rupees 2. You get the total 20.96 0.72. That is the machine hour rate for this problem. Okay. Can you clear? Let me move the next problem. Next problem. I'll read the problem. Compute the machine hour rate from the following data. Cost of machine 1 lakh. Installation charges 10,000. Estimated scrap value after the expiry of its life 15 years 5,000. Then rent and rates for the shop per month 200. General lighting for the shop per month 300. Insurance premium for the month per annum 960. Then repair and maintenance expenses per annum 1,000. Power consumption 10 units per hour. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 10 units. Rate of power per 100 units 20 rupees. 100 units equal to 20 rupees. Then estimated working hours per annum 2,200. This includes setting up time of 200 hours. Okay, we have to deduct. Okay. Then shop supervisor salary per month 600. Okay. This, listen here. The machine occupies 1/4 of the total area of the shop. Then there are 4 machines in the department. Okay. We are calculating the machine hour rate among one of the machine. The supervisor is expected to devote 1/5 of his time for supervising the machine. Okay. Okay. Supervisor is expecting to devote 1/5 of his time for supervising the machine. Here off. Okay. 1/5 of his time. Okay. We have to write it. Don't forget it. Okay. Then, okay. We have to find the standing charges as well as variable charges. What are the standing charges here? Cost of machine, installation charges, estimated scrap we are using for calculating the depreciation. First one, rent and rates for the shop per month. This is the standing charge. Then general lighting is the standing charge. Insurance premium for the machine per annum also standing charge. Repair and maintenance will come as a variable charge. Power, it is a variable charge. Okay. Then shop supervisor's salary per month is coming under standing charge. Okay. Per month coming under standing charge. So supervisor is devoting his time, 1/5 of his time supervising the machinery. Shop supervisor salary, the whole shop supervisor salary. 5 ಮಿಷಿನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ 600 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರಿನಾ? Okay, let me go for calculation. First one, rent and rates. Rent and rates given in the problem. How much rent and rates? Per month 200, isn't it? Okay. Per month 200, no? Right. Rent and rates per month 200. CC common rent. Rent for department. This is not only for this machine. Okay. This overall expenses for that department 200. So we have to 1/4 of 200 we will get 50. Rent for this machine occupied 50. Okay. Then general lighting common to all 4 machines. So 300 into 1/4. One portion general lighting to this machine. 300 into 1/4 will get rupees 75. Okay. Then insurance premium given in the problem 960. See here. Insurance premium for the machine, this machine only Per annum 960. Okay. Per annum 960. Okay. Insurance premium 960 per annum means if we divided by 12, we will get for 1 month. We are doing month calculation, isn't it? So this is the machine hour rate. We provide the column. We are doing this calculation. Okay. Then that is as usual. You can do it. Okay. Then insurance premium 960 per month. We have to divide by 12. We will get for month. Okay. Per month 80. Shop supervisor salary 600. Okay. All together, all the machines, all other 4 machines. Totally 5 machines. The supervisor is handling. So 600 for divided by 5. One portion of the machine supervisor's salary is 120 for this machine. Okay. Per month column, we have to total it. We will get standing charges for month. Okay. 50 plus 75 plus 80 plus 120. What is the total monthly standing charges? 325. Then we have to calculate standing charges per hour. Next step. 325, this is given for month. 325, if we converted into year, into 12. Okay. 325 into 12 divided by how many effective working hours in a year? 2000. We calculated already. See here. See, estimated working hour 2200. Setting up time, idle time 200. What is the effective working hours? 2000. I explain while I reading the problem. Okay. Then we'll get 1.95. Okay. Variable charges. Repair and maintenance. This is variable charges. What's given in the problem? Repair and. Where is repair? Repair and maintenance expenses per annum 1000 rupees. Per year 1000 rupees. Okay. Then 1000 divided by 2000 hours, we will get repair and maintenance per hour 0.50. Then power consumption 100 units 2 rupees. If 100 rupees 2 rupees means 100 units 2 rupees means for 10 units how much? Rupees 2. Okay. 100 units 2 rupee andre 10 units ke eshtu barbeku? Andre 2 divided by 100 into 10, we will get 2 rupees. Okay. Then depreciation. You know very well how to calculate depreciation. Okay. Then cost of machine given in the problem 1 lakh plus 10,000 installation charges. Scrap value we should minus, deduct 5,000. Then life of machine 15 years. Effective working hours 2000. 15,000 into 2000 hours. We'll get, see, depreciation 1 lakh plus 10,000 minus 5,000. We will get divided by 2000 into 15 years. 2000 hours into 15 years. How much we will get depreciation per hour? 3.50. Okay. Then the standing charges per hour 1 rupee 95 paise. Then variable charges. Repair and maintenance 0.5 paise. 1.95 plus 0.50. Then power consumption per hour 2 rupees. We add 2 rupees along with this. Then depreciation 3.50. You add along with this. For all together 1.95 plus 50 plus 2 plus 3.50 is equal to 7.95. Here the machine hour rate calculated that the value per hour, machine hour rate per hour is 7.95. That's all about the various exercise problem has given in M.N. Arora Cost Accounting, Himalaya Publishing House, New Delhi, and R.G. Saha and others, Cost Accounting, Vision Book House, New Delhi. So you practice well. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you, students. Remaining, let me see in the next class. Thank you.